Hi everyone, here is one more important topic, that is on mycoplasma. It is also a kind of prokaryotic organism. It is also comes under the kingdom Monera. Let us study. It is a very brief topic, very interesting one, very important one to understand the higher levels of subject. Mycus, mycoplasma, the word comes from two important words, that is mycus. Mycus means fungus. Plasm means cell. So cells look like fungus cells. So the name mycoplasma was given. Given. So they are all prokaryotic organisms because there is no nucleus in the cell. So any organism without nucleus, without a true nucleus, is called a prokaryotic organism. So mycoplasmas come under prokaryotes. Next one is they belong to the kingdom Monera as per the Whittaker's system of classification. Prokaryotic organisms are classified under Monera. Next one is it is the smallest cell in the living kingdom. In the living among all the living organisms, the smallest cell is of that of mycoplasma. We shall see what is its size. That is around 0.3 to 0.8 microns. You already know that 1 micron is 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. So it is a 1/6 part of the millimeter is 1 micron. This is a 0.3 millimicrons. You can understand. So below that there is no any cell. The smallest cell in the living domain is a mycoplasmas. Very important point, very important bit for competitive exams and also for the +1 level exams. So next one is discovery. Who discovered means Knockard and Rocks. These two scientists, Knockard and Rocks, they discovered mycoplasmas. Mycoplasma, the term mycoplasma, mycus plus plasma, that is a fungus plus a cell, that was given by a scientist A.B. Frank. A.B. Frank gave the name mycoplasma for this tiniest and smallest microorganisms because they look like the cells of the fungus. Next one is in olden days, mycoplasmas were called by the abbreviation PPLO. P means pneumonia. P means pleuro. P means another P means pneumonia. Pneumonia like organisms. Pneumonia like organisms. So PPLO, the older name. Some call it as a MPLOs also. Mycoplasma like organisms. So PPLO or MPLO, the older names. So that belongs to the class, all mycoplasma organisms belong to the class Mollicutis. So next one, it has no cell wall. All bacteria, all prokaryotic organisms have cell wall, but mycoplasmas, they do not have any cell wall. So this property is called pleomorphy. Pleomorphy means many shapes. Morphous means shapes. Pleo means which can change like a plastic, which can be changed easily. So it can be in different forms. You can see here mycoplasmas may be spherical or rod shaped or of different shapes like amoeba. So this condition is called pleomorphy. So next one is the cell membrane of mycoplasmas have sterols. So in the plasma membrane, sterols, chemical compounds may be present, the characteristic feature of mycoplasmas of like that of animal cells. Next one, they consist of only 70S ribosomes, just to have already studied. 70s ribosomes are present in prokaryotes. They are present in the mitochondria and plastids of eukaryotes. One is a cytoplasm of prokaryotes, mitochondria and plastids of eukaryotes also 70s ribosomes are present. 70s ribosomes are characteristic features of prokaryotic organisms. So next one is there are no locomotory organelles. We studied that in flagella. In bacteria, locomotory organelles were flagella. Here no cilia, no flagella, no any extracellular appendage, no cell wall. So this is also one of the characteristic features of a mycoplasmas. Next one, on the culture plates, if you grow mycoplasmas in laboratory on petri dishes, so they give characteristic form fried egg-like colonies. Fried egg-like colonies. This is a characteristic feature of mycoplasmas. Culture plates, fried egg-like colonies. They are resistant to an antibiotic that is called penicillin. You have already know that penicillin is an antibiotic. Antibiotics means a chemical substance which is produced by one microorganism, but that is toxic or poisonous to another microorganism. That kind of organic chemical is called anti means against, biotic, here biotic means microorganism. So but mycoplasmas are resistant to the first made antibiotic called penicillin. So next one, they show resistance to sensitive detergents also. When we wash our hands with sensitive detergents, even then mycoplasmas cannot be killed. Next one, they are facultative anaerobes. Facultative anaerobes. That means they are not they may live in the absence of oxygen. They exist in the absence of oxygen. Even in the presence of oxygen they can exist. That's why the word facultative is used. Facultative means not compulsory, not must, not true. Some are obligate anaerobes. Some they must and should have to live in the absence of oxygen, and they show incomplete TCA, tricarboxylic acid cycle, or a citric acid cycle, or we can call as a Krebs cycle. That is a very important part of respiration. Very important part of respiration is glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport system. But here incomplete TCA because they do not have mitochondria. This is also a characteristic feature of mycoplasmas. Mycoplasma genitalium. This is a kind of a species which causes urinary bladder and urethra inflammation called urethritis. Urethritis is a kind of inflammation or disease or infection to our male sexual organs or urinary organs, urinary bladder and urethra. So urethritis, mycoplasma genitalium causes that disease. Next one, mycoplasma pneumoniae. This one causes lung infection among human beings. So this is one kind of, actually pneumonia is caused by bacterium called pneumococcus bacterium is there, or it may be caused by virus. Coronavirus also causes pneumonia, but by mycoplasma also cause pneumonia. This is a mycoplasma pneumoniae. So next, cattle also get a pneumonia, lungs infection. This mycoplasma causes, that is Mycoplasma mycoides. This one causes pneumonia among cattle breeds. Next one, even plants are affected by mycoplasma. So mycoplasma which that infects plants is called phytoplasma. Here Phytus means plant. Mycoplasmas that infect plants are called phytoplasmas. So this is the broom. Which broom disease? Which broom? Which means broomstick, which is used to sweep the floors. So witch's broom. Witch's broom. This is the disease symptom which is caused by mycoplasmas. So after this video, you please you can find study material, slides, question banks and online test in a Google Classroom. So if anybody interested, please mail to bankofbiology@gmail.com. Here we studied they have fungus like cells. They have no nucleus, so we call them as prokaryotes. They belong to the kingdom Monera. They have the smallest cell in the living domain, 0.3 to 0.8 microns in size. Nocard and Rokes discovered mycoplasmas. A.B. Frank gave the name mycoplasma. Pleuropneumonia-like organisms, PPLO, the older name for mycoplasmas. They belong to the class Mollicutis. There is no any cell wall, but they show pleomorphy, that means different shapes. The cell membrane consists of sterols. They consist of 70S ribosomes. There are no locomotory organelles. On culture plates, fried egg-like colonies can be seen. They are resistant to penicillin. They are resistant to sensitive detergents. They are facultative anaerobes. Some are obligate anaerobes. They show incomplete TCA cycle. So Mycoplasma genitalium causes urethritis among human beings. Mycoplasma pneumonia causes pneumonia among human beings. Cattle pneumonia is caused by Mycoplasma mycoides. Phytoplasma causes which